Hey guys, I'm going to be unboxing the Dell XPS 15 9500. This is a refurbished unit, so let's see if this was a good deal or not. Stay tuned till the end of the video to see how to get this deal. Going to put the specs on the screen. So I bought this for around 1859 Aussie dollar, which is around 1400 US dollar at the time of recording. This comes with a 12-month warranty from Dell. Brand new, this retails around 3,000 Aussie dollars, which is around 2300 US dollars. So that's around 40% off retail. The laptop comes in a bubble wrap, so the unboxing experience is not that impressive, but considering the price difference between this and a brand new one, that's not going to be an issue for me. The unit comes with a charger, dongle, and a certificate from the store. The charger looks new. The plastic wrap is still intact, so maybe they gave us a new charger here. The Type-C dongle has an HDMI and a USB port. The dongle looks kind of used, but yeah, you get what you paid for. So let's open this laptop. Right off the bat, this laptop looks pretty compact. You wouldn't think this is a 15-inch laptop. It has a bit more heft to it. This laptop really looks good. The aluminum body makes it really feel solid. Hinge feels really solid as well, so you don't get that wobbly screen whenever you handle or you type on this laptop. So let's turn this on. I heard there was an issue with the trackpad in the early batches for this model where the trackpad was wobbly. Dell acknowledged that one was a manufacturing issue and they already fixed that one last year. So I checked my trackpad here and it looks good. One thing I've noticed with my unit is that the trackpad is a bit recessed on the left side. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but yeah, other than that, it looks good. Another thing I noticed with the unit I got, there are a few small scratches on it. One is at the back, which is pretty small. I also found a few more scratches near one of the screws at the bottom, so this unit was probably opened at some point in time. So I got this laptop from Dell's outlet store. So if you Google Dell Refurbished, they have a site that sells the refurbished units here in Australia and also in the US. You might have to check from time to time for stock, since the stock comes from their returned units which they refurbish. So your mileage will vary. What's weird is that prices vary between the same models. You can see here there's an ongoing deal. They have an XPS 13 with 11th gen i5 with 16 gigs of RAM for 1,300 Aussie dollars. That's a pretty good deal. You can see here they have an XPS 15 model that I bought. Huh, it's even cheaper than the one I bought. It has the same specs. So if you're in the market for a new laptop, this might be worth checking out.